World Environment Day is celebrated annually on 5th of June every year. It encourages awareness and action for the protection of the environment. In 1973, the United Nations General Assembly founded World Environment Day to encourage action and increase public awareness of environmental challenges. Led by the United Nations Environment Programme, it's a global event held annually, and today is the 50th anniversary. This year, Government of Netherlands is supporting this year's World Environment Day. And as per the official website of World Environment Day, the effort is to beat plastic pollution. Every individual is doing their bit to make planet Earth a better place by making ethical, sustainable choices. And here we have Praveen Kumar, who is a businessman. He said every single individual is responsible towards environment, and he did his bit by owning an electric scooter which is cost-effective and eco-friendly. After doing a thorough research, he chose an electric scooter, and he says it's more powerful than a petrol bike or a scooter. He said electric vehicles are the future. The only expense he incurs is having the electric scooter serviced every 5 years. And he only gets an electricity bill of 500 approximately for charging it comparatively to petrol bikes or scooters.
When government is behind public use electric vehicles, or maybe is like they are providing subsidies on this, and moreover, like it is not harmful for the what to say to the nature, where we extract oil, kerosene, and all this. I think electric is more efficient, and it's less impacted to the nature, and moreover, it's nothing like you're riding the vehicle. That's far better than petrol or diesel vehicles. You have seen probably within a span of 2 to 3 years, it's like what is a hike on fuels. Petrol, it's gone up to, it was around 50, 60. Now it has gone up to 110. It's moreover, going for electric vehicles is it's budget friendly and eco friendly. And you have seen the hike in the petrol prices or diesel prices. Like 2 years ago or 3 years ago, it was around 50 or 60 rupees per liter. Now it's gone up to 110, and it's been fluctuating also. And it's not far away where we reach 150 or 200 rupees per liter. Like, and it's nothing like you haven't spent any money on the fuel, and you're just riding the vehicle. You're covering all your needs. Every 5,000 kilometers, I give it for service, and they come, they pick it up, they provide the necessary service, and they'll drop it back also, and they'll give the exact reason if there is any issues with the vehicle. Like till now, I haven't found anything. And one more thing is, like you haven't, it's like I don't like. I haven't spent anything on the vehicle. I just bought the vehicle. I'm riding it. Something like where you charge all your daily needs gadgets, where phones or any other you're using a system. Like probably I don't find anything. I'm not finding anything where my electricity bill is going up. Like probably what, even if I charge it from 0 to 100 every day, like I'll be getting around 400 or 450 rupees extra on my electricity bill. Not about only the government should get into this to save everything, or save the nature, or to what to say, to improve the society. It's like it's all depends on each individual, where we have to contribute. It's nothing like everyone should do 100%. Even a single step, a small step, will impact gratefully. I have done this. It's like I bought an electric vehicle which doesn't pollute anything, and cost effective, eco friendly, and what more you need. It's like you do this, obviously, and vice versa, nature will be good.